Welcome to this feature tutorial on the iMBrace Agent and Orchestrator. This video introduces the iMBrace AI Agent and Orchestrator Builder, showcasing various agents and orchestrators available for different business needs. Here we explore the AI Orchestrator, which coordinates multiple AI agents to perform complex tasks such as the Loan Credit Review Orchestrator. A key feature is the ability for each agent and orchestrator to use an individual large language model, providing flexibility and customization. We can assign specific skills to the agent and orchestrator. These skills can include actions like sending emails, checking calendars, or looking into your SAP ERP data. The behavior settings allow us to define the guardrail, persona, and core task for the AI agent, ensuring it operates within desired parameters and scope. Agents can leverage dynamic knowledge, data, and static data. This includes accessing information from knowledge hubs and specific data boards to enhance their performance. Start your growth with iMBrace. Scan the QR code to learn more, and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.